Hello, Mary. Hello, Mary. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Wow, that's really great. Mary, what's the weather today?
It's
It's
sunny.
sunny. Wow, nice. Okay. Now, do you celebrate Father's Day, Mary?
Yeah,
Yes or no?
yeah.
Wow, nice. What do you do when it is Father's Day?
Mm, mm, mm,
Yes, Mary?
um,
What do you do when it is Father's Day? Do you have dinner with your family? Do you give do you give presents to your dad or what? Hello,
mm,
Mary, can you hear me?
yeah,
Okay, so anyway, I want you to look at your book. Are you ready?
yeah, I'm ready.
Great. So we are now in this page. Okay, it's all about a superlative adjective. Now you listen and read with me. A superlative adjective is used to compare one person, action, thing, or state to all others in the same group. And it adds est to the original adjective. Now, how do we simplify this? Okay, so look, if we are comparing a group of people, okay, then we use the superlative adjective. Just like quiet. The adjective is quiet. All we have to do is to add est to use the superlative adjective. Okay. Now in here, it is comparing more than two things. So we can say Asia is the quietest in the class. We are comparing Asia to the group of people in the class. So we say the quietest. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Now, what about this one? Smart. What is the superlative adjective of smart?
And matters.
Very good. We have the smartest. Nice. Now, can you make a sentence using the smartest?
Mm,
Okay, example. Mary is the smartest in beads, like that. Okay, now look, who am I comparing? We have Mary and the
B.
students in beads. Great. So in here, how many students are there in beads? There are many students. Okay, but I am saying that Mary is the smartest. So we use the smartest because We are comparing Mary to the group of students in B's. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, now look at this one. If, most of the time we just add EST, just like quickest. Okay, now look and read. The girl
Wait. Because is the quickest from the O.
of them all. Very good. Okay, now what is the superlative adjective in this sentence?
Is quickest.
Very good. Why do we use the quickest?
Uh, um, mm,
Because we are comparing the girl to all the people. Okay, we are comparing the girl to the group of people, which is all them all. Okay, now look, we have here juicy. Now look at the word juicy. What is the last letter?
is
It's
Y.
very good. In that case, if the last word or if the word, if the last letter of the word is Y, okay, what are we going to do? Change Y to I and add EST. Juiciest. Okay, now look at the sample sentence and read.
The orange is the juices of the fruit.
Very good. So in this sentence, who are we comparing the orange? We are
Mm,
comparing the orange to,
fruit.
very good. How many fruits are we comparing?
Mm,
How many fruits do we compare the orange? One or many?
many.
Very good. So we use the juiciest. Okay, now look, Mary, I have here pretty. What is the last letter of the word pretty?
Is Y.
So how can we use the superlative adjective? What should we do?
Um,
We change
mm,
Y to I and
mm,
add EST. Prettiest. Okay, again, Mary. Look, Y. We change
Y.
Y into I, then we add EST. So this is what we do. I want you to look and read. Change. Okay, now look and read. What do?
We can add um, to and add EFT.
Very good. But one more time, I want you to say Y to I.
What do I?
Very good. Okay, so what do we do here? We
Mm, mm, mm.
we
Um, We
We change.
written I written white I N F E L T.
Very good. Now look at this one. We have hot. Now look
Hot.
at the word hot. It's letter T at the end. That is consonant. Okay, but if the second to the last letter is vowel, okay, we double the consonant and add ER, EST. Okay, look. Double the consonant and add EST. So what do we do?
We double the consonant and add E F T.
Very good. So look, we have hot, hot. Double the consonant T-T-E-S-T. Hottest, hot, hottest. That's what we do, Mary. Same thing with, let me think. We have here, what other word have, where do we double the consonant? Let me think. I cannot think. Okay, so now look and read the sample sentence. Leads was,
Live what the hottest city on Wednesday.
very good, Mary. Okay, now Mary, do you have any question?
No, I don't.
Great job. All right, now look at this one. Let's practice. Okay, now thin. What will you do with the word thin?
Is thin, thinness.
Very good. What will you do?
Uh,
How do you spell thinness? Thi.
E S I N E S T.
Okay. Now look, Mary. It's letter I, vowel. So what are we going to do with the consonant? We double the consonant, double N, add EST. Thinnest. Thinnest. This is double the consonant. All right, Mary?
Okay.
Okay, now, how about short? Short.
Is shortest.
Very good. What will you add?
Um, short. T S S S O R T T E S T.
Okay, we don't double. We just add EST. Not double anymore. Okay, now what about in here? Dry.
Mm, uh,
Dry. Look, we have here change Y to I and add EST. Dryest.
dry.
Okay. What about funny?
We check the Y and add the ENT.
Very good. Okay. Change Y to I and add EST. What about dark? Dark.
Mm, we um,
What are you going to add?
um, we add EST.
Very good. Add EST. What about dull?
We add ENT.
Yay! Well done, Mary. So you have this one happy star. Great job, Mary. All right. Now, Mary, look at this one. This is spelling rule. Okay, so most of it we just have to add ER and EST. But there are some rules for the spelling. If it ends in Y, okay, we change Y to I and add ER. Or change Y to I and add EST. Okay. If it is a consonant, okay, then before the letter consonant is a vowel, we double the consonant and add ER. Double the consonant and add EST. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Very good. Now look, if it ends in letter E, we just add R. We add EST. Okay?
Okay.
Great job. Now let's look at this one. Let's practice. Is it comparative or superlative? Okay, now look and read. This is an example. Harry is the smallest in the group by far. So we have here smallest because we are comparing Harry to the group. Okay, now your turn, Mary. Look and read.
It is faster.
What's your answer?
Faster.
Can you circle? All right, very good. How about this one? All right, now look, out of all the boys, or all the toys we have here, least. I got the one I like the least. How about this one? Mrs. Dog. Very good. That's farther. Okay, now look and read.
Misha dog was more better than her cat.
Nice. What about this one?
Mm.
Okay, though they were both tired, Paulo felt much, okay, worse than Stavros. So we use worse because we are only comparing Paulo and Stavros. That's only two people. Okay. Now, what about in here? Okay. Wow. Now look, the smallest duckling. Okay, smallest. That means superlative. So we say the most beautiful dog, not the more. Okay, since we are using the smallest, which is superlative, so we say most as a superlative. All right?
Yeah.
Great. How about this one? Wow, very good. Okay, what about here, Mary? What's your answer? The
Mm.
plain donut was much blank attractive than the ice donut. What's your answer, Mary? Okay, that was much less attractive. Look, plain donut and ice donut. How many are we comparing? We are comparing two. So we say less. All right. How about this one?
Mm.
Very good. You got it correct. Okay, what about here? Okay, now let's try. I was trying to be most helpful than before. Okay, this is more helpful than before. Okay, so thank you for doing your best here, Mary. So you've got this. Great job still. Okay, now let's have a language practice, Mary. Look and write the opposite. We have here small, big. Okay, what about number two? Tall.
Shop.
Very good. What about number three? Old.
Young.
Nice. Short.
Tall.
Wow, well done, Mary. Okay, so you have this. Great job. Okay, now look, listen, and answer my question. Which animal is bigger, the cat or the dog?
Mm,
Which animal is bigger, the cat or the dog?
mm. A dog.
What will you say? The dog is?
Peaches.
What will
It's
you
not
say?
the cat.
The
Not the cat.
Oh, what is that? What is this? Oh, it's still a dog, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then we can say the second dog is bigger than the first dog. All right. Now, look, which girl is shorter? First or
The,
second?
the first. I know the second.
Okay, what will you say?
Mm, the, yeah. Uh,
The second girl is shorter than the first girl. Okay, now your turn. Who is older, grandpa or the boy?
the grandpa is older than the boy.
Nice. Well done, Mary. Okay, now, Mary, I want you to look and write your answer. There is one example. The boy is shorter than the girl. The girl is taller than the boy. What about number two?
Mm,
How about number two? Very good. Wow, nice, Mary. Okay, now what about in here? The green book is
bigger
bigger
than
than the
the red.
red book. Nice. What about the other one? So what will you write? Wow, well done, Mary. You've got this one big star. Nice, Mary. Okay, now, Mary, you're going to look, listen, write, and tell me your answer. Here it is, Mary.
Listening 7. Listen and check. 1,
The orange scarf is longer than the grey scarf, but the purple scarf is the longest.
2,
The yellow tree is taller than the red tree, but the green tree is the tallest.
3,
The blue flower is smaller than the white flower, but the pink flower is the smallest.
All right. So what's your answer in number one? Okay, the orange scarf is longer than the gray scarf, but the purple scarf is
listening 7,
the
listen
longest.
and check.
Nice. Okay, the yellow tree is taller than the orange tree, but the green tree is the tallest. What about number three? The blue flower is smaller than the,
One flower.
but the, which flower is the smallest?
It's pink.
Very good. Yay, Mary. So you've got 2 stars and 2 great job. Keep up the good work. I hope you learned something. Bye, Mary.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.